What would you do if you found a crown made of pure gold, but it brought great danger with it? Stay with this story because today you will learn a powerful lesson about honesty, courage, and the true meaning of wealth. Welcome to Talk Through Tales, where stories help you learn English in a simple and enjoyable way. Long ago, in a peaceful village near a dense forest, lived a poor woodcutter named Ramu. Every day, he went into the forest to cut wood and earn just enough to feed his family. One morning, while walking near the river, something bright caught his eye. It was shining under the sunlight. Ramu stepped closer, and his heart started beating fast. There, half buried in the sand, was a golden crown, decorated with sparkling jewels. "This must belong to the king," he whispered. But suddenly a frightening thought entered his mind. What if someone thinks I stole it? His hands trembled. Keeping the crown could make him rich forever, but it could also bring terrible punishment. After a moment of deep thought, Ramu made a brave decision. "I will return it," he said. "Honesty is more valuable than gold." He walked many miles to the royal palace and handed the crown to the guards. When the king heard what happened, he was shocked. Few people would return such treasure. The king asked, "Why did you not keep it?" Ramu replied softly, "My lord, a clean heart lets me sleep peacefully. Gold cannot buy that." The king smiled with great respect. For his honesty and courage, the king rewarded Ramu with a bag of gold coins and offered him a better job in the palace. From that day on, Ramu and his family never went hungry again. Remember, honesty may seem difficult in the moment, but it always brings the greatest reward. Stories are not just for entertainment. They shape our character and improve our English too. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like the video. Comment the word honesty if you believe truth always wins. And subscribe to Talk Through Tales for more simple, powerful English stories. Because the more you listen, the more confidently you speak. See you in the next tale.